All right, welcome to this video. The reason you are seeing this video right now is because you saw my ad or I sent you a mail. Now, what you're about to see will blow your mind away, but I want you to have that benefit of doubt. Okay, now also believe that if I can do this, me, if I can do this, nothing is stopping you from also replicating the same results or even more. Okay, I'll take it step by step. Now, how did I achieve this amount you are seeing here? Okay, let me give you an explanation. As at now, this is September the 3rd. Okay, this graph shows that we started the ad around the 1st of July, and this is about 16th of July. I didn't run this ad again throughout the month of August. I just started on the 1st of September and the 3rd of September. I see the spike. See how much we made. So let me just go back to January. This ad ran for just 2 weeks, and now it has only run for 3 days. And see how much we've made in 3 days. Look, this process works, and I will show you how it works. Don't miss me here. Okay, very important. Now, these are the steps it takes. Number one, you need an affiliate. You need an affiliate account with Expertnia. Number two, you need a Facebook account to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. You also need a Visa and MasterCard, all right? And the recommended ones are that you should get it from GTB Bank, First Bank, Zenith, and UBA. I would strongly recommend you go for UBA personally. You'll also need an autoresponder. I'll explain more on that. Then you need at least $50 to get started. The money is not even the issue here, because if you follow with me with this process, you'll find out how to make this $50 for free, how to start for free, how you can make this money to start your own business for free. And the last thing you need is knowledge. We'll talk about that step by step. So let me just quickly take you through the process. Okay. Now, step one, you need an account with Expertnia. This is my Expertnia. This is the Expertnia page. Okay. You need to sign up for 10,000 naira. You can do that right now and you gain instant access. All right. But I would advise you not to. Just hold on for a bit. Let me show you some more some more amazing things. Now, this is my dashboard where I am given the opportunity to affiliate products, digital products. Digital product means that they are products that are not physical. They are usually report-based products or um or ebooks or courses that solve a problem for somebody. If you are following me here, I think you understand what I'm saying. It solves a problem for somebody. So people put their knowledge together and then they sell these products. And most of these products are hot selling products. It won't take you too much to sell them. Now, they are even best for you if you think you don't have anything to sell, you don't know what to sell. All right. Now, an example of what you can sell is these high ticketed programs like this one for 40,000 naira, and it gives 20%, 50% commission. That means you get 20,000 naira when you sell it. This one, 30,000 naira, it gives you 15,000 naira when you sell it. Okay, so these things are sorry, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, sorry. These things are very, very, very profitable when you sell them, but you won't be able to sell it if you don't have the account. Now, just let me deviate a little bit. You don't actually have to buy, you don't have to pay that 10,000 naira. You can get 2 years for free. But just listen to me, just go with me here, okay? That's number one. Number two, you need a Facebook account. Now, this is my Facebook account. I have a business account with Facebook with three different accounts, ad accounts, and none of them has ever been banned. There's some people who always have issues with their pages getting banned. It's because they don't know what to do and they don't know how to run Facebook ads properly. This is my Facebook ad account. I run one for myself and for some of my clients. So with that, I was able to run an ad like this. Sorry, like this. Yes, this particular ad was what I ran in the month of July for 2 weeks, and is what I'm still running now. Look at it, 18,000 views, 51,000 people reached. Okay, it's a video ad, and I'll give you a bonus video demonstration on how to get this. Also, I'll give it for you for free. All right. Now, afterwards, this is what you would also need: a Visa card. Well, you can easily get a Visa card any bank. I mean, anybody in 2019 who has a bank account should have this card. Well, do you want the people normally have is Verve, and Verve doesn't work for online transactions. So what you need is to request from your bank that you need a Visa or Mastercard, and like I said, preferably UBA. Now, moving on to number four, you need an autoresponder. Now, what does an autoresponder do? An autoresponder helps you send follow-up messages to your prospective clients. Now, when you run an ad like this, mistake again, like this, you see that over 51,000 people were reached. All right, and I engaged 1,400 of them. But the truth is, not all of them ended up buying, and that's what would happen. So if you don't do a follow up on the people who who show interest, there is no way that you would 10x your profits, and that is what we did instead. All right. Now, how do you collect their details for the follow up? It's simple. You would create a page like this where they will enter their name and their email, and you give them immediate access. Okay, and that access brings takes them to the sales page where the product is actually there, or the the digital product is there, or the physical product, whatever it is you're selling is there, and that is where they will buy. But in case they don't buy, the information they give you here will display here. All right, and you send them these emails on a daily basis to remind them of the program they did not buy, or to remind them, or to give them information and benefits and reason why they should buy. The end goal is for them to actually buy. Do you understand? So this is the process that makes this much money online, and it works. Whatever it is that you're selling, it does work. Okay, and now moving on to the next thing is the money. Well, you would learn how to raise your initial capital with what I'm about to show you. Okay, with what I'm about to show you, you will learn how to raise your initial capital, and it will be easier for you to run these ads. Now, in the sense of it, the first 2 weeks of running this ad, I only spent about 20,000 naira, 20 to 21,000 naira thereabouts, and then I got a return of that much money. But now that I started running the ad, I'm even amazed. In 3 days, we've made over 95,000 naira in 3 days. Look, 137. I'm even mistaken. Okay, so it works like magic. It does work like magic. Now, how did I know about all these things? I'm sure you're asking. Or how can you also know? Very, 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 very easy. And that's where the knowledge comes in. You see, Tony Robbins will always say that to achieve the same results other people achieve, you need to just copy them. That's all. Just copy what other people have done, and then you achieve the same results. Instead of trying to rack your head around things and look, I've been there, I tried so many things on my own that failed. But once I discovered this man, Tony Omotosho, my life changed for good. I am telling you. And that is where I learned all these things. And the funny thing about, or the interesting thing about Tony Omotoshio's program is that, let me quickly search it out for you. The interesting thing about Tony Omotoshio's program is that it helps you reach your goal in about 72 hours. Okay, let me calm down a little bit. You will set up all this process, which is automated, in 72 hours. Isn't that amazing? That's the video you're about to see next. And after you watch this video, and if you decide to go on with the course, he will give you 2 years access to Expertnaire, where you can affiliate products that are already available for you. And not just that, it would also give you the information on how to raise your initial capital to start the business. Look, I don't know what you're waiting for, but I want you to click that button down below and gain access to this video right now. Do that right now. Look, it expires soon. I don't know if this date will be changed, and I don't want you to risk it, but please, please, and please, and please, you should click that button right now and watch that presentation. If you don't have 500 naira, to buy data to watch this video for 1 hour or so and pay close concentration, I don't think this business is for you. I really don't think it's for you. But if you know you can sacrifice that small amount to come this far, I think you should do that right now. I think you should do it before this video even ends. Press that button right now and gain access to this life-changing information. Tony Omotoshio is an amazing digital marketer, and I'm grateful to God for ever bringing me, forever, making me find him. Oh, I don't know how to even express myself, but do that right now. For you to make this kind of sales or this kind of figures in less than a month, because if I add all the days together, it's not even up to a month. Imagine. That is how this thing works, and it can work for you as well. Do the right thing today. Do not leave it for tomorrow because you can forget. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the other side.